If you have the Logitech G Hub software, open it up, and as soon as you open it up, it'll show whatever devices you have for Logitech. Click on your microphone. For me, it's a Blue Yeti X, and as soon as you click on it, it should show this window, and then go over to NVIDIA and uncheck NVIDIA broadcast. That's what's causing all your issues, and that should fix it. If you don't have the Logitech G Hub software and you're still having this issue, then in Discord, you can right click on it and then run it as an administrator. And then also after doing that, if that doesn't fix it, go into your settings tab right here, scroll down, voice and video, make sure that your input device is selected to the microphone that you want to use, and then scroll down towards the bottom. And once you get towards the bottom, right here at quality of service, enable quality of service high packet priority, you're going to want to check that box, check it. And if that doesn't fix it, then I'm not sure. But if you do have any questions, leave them down in the comment. I'll try to answer them the best I can. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it helped, and I'll see you guys next time.